Today we will learn how to convert months to years. We know 12 months is 1 year. So let's do few examples based on this. For example, convert 74 months to years. So for example, convert 74 months to years. We know 12 months is equal to 1 year. So 74 months is equal to 74 divided by 12. Let's do the division. 74 divided by 12. 12 times 6 is 72. 74 minus 72 is 2. So 6 will be years. The quotient. 6 is the quotient which will be years. And 2 is the remainder that will be months. Okay. So we get 6 years, 2 months. So 74 months is equal to 6 years, 2 months. So this is how we convert months to years. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.